These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn in Gainesville, Florida. Only one lantern works. Let's go 4. Now both lanterns work. So let's go to 1. It's an orange button. Here's your inspection certificate, emergency phone, and your cab view. Installed, I believe, in the mid-90s sometime. Let's get the other elevator. I'll cut the one we can get it. Only one lantern works for up on this one too. So let's go to 4. Same lantern works going down. So let's go to 1. There's your inspection certificate, emergency phone, and your cab view. There it goes. And that'll be it.